Hi boys and girls, it's Shane. I'm in my $650 a month tiny house. And we have a tiny problem we're going to try to fix. And we're going to do so trying to use a method that somebody suggested. So my son helped me paint. And he painted these doors and doors shut on this little countertop here. Now there's probably 100 different ways to remove this. But somebody suggested fishing line online. And I've never tried this before. But I have some fishing line, and I want to see if I can get this to come out using just some fishing line. What do you think? Do you think this is going to work? In life, sometimes we need to try things in different ways, and that's what we're going to try here. So I guess I'm going to try it like dental floss, maybe like this. It's just hooked on this corner. Maybe if I just go back and forth. It's moving a little bit. I don't know if this is any better than doing it some of my methods. Let's try another way. What I'm going to do is kind of wrap it around each one of these corners. Like that, maybe. And then kind of try flossing the whole thing at once. Oh man. Okay, that's hard to do. Okay, here. We're going to try one more thing. Again, I didn't get specific instructions. Just somebody suggested using fishing line. So I'm going to use some of my rope skills here, and we're going to tie this fishing line together. We're going to make ourselves a nice knot here, back through this hole just like that. There we go. That should bind that together nicely. Okay. My gosh, there's some angry dogs out there. Okay, so now I'm going to take this chisel that I know I could use to open this, and I'm going to wrap it through this string just like so. Now I'm going to twist the chisel up like this, and as I turn the chisel, it's increasing the tension as it spins the fishing line. It's going to get more and more taut, and I'm hoping that increased tension will eventually come through all the paint on the drawers. And I could use anything for this. It doesn't have to be a chisel. But I just happen to have a chisel. In case the string doesn't work, I can use the chisel to open the drawer. And this isn't even a good chisel. This is one I've had for a very, very long time. And it's almost a pry bar. So it's just about perfect for a job like this. Keep twisting it around. You can hear how high-pitched this sound is getting, almost like a guitar string. And this, I think, is 25-pound test, 50-pound test. I imagine we're getting close to the limit of what this will take. Still no open drawer. What's going to happen? Is this going to work? What if I try sliding it back and forth now? Oh, okay. So through here, that's gotten in. I don't know, the fishing line method sounded cool. Let's just try going back and forth here. Is there a right way to do this? Maybe I should have looked up some videos. It's definitely doing something. But I don't know that it's working any better than other methods would have worked. Okay, so we're way back behind there. We're way further up here than what we were before. We can see the paint that's been removed. Still, I'm not going to give up on it yet. You got to keep trying different things. I think we're primarily shut at the bottom now. So I think we're at the top. So I'm going to try some flossing. Maybe if I used a smaller string, it would be better. Maybe actually getting the higher test string wasn't optimal, but this was just some I had left over from some other projects I had done. I really wanted this to work. Do you ever just really want something to work so bad that you're willing to give it a lot more chances than you should? I know some people with relationships sometimes that are that way. They just really want their relationship to work and push it too hard. I know there's a lot of people with political ideals that will really want their political idea to be good. Even if it doesn't really work, they're going to say, there's probably something in your life that's that way. Right now I'm starting to feel like I'm pushing this string way too far because I really wanted it to work. It sounded so cool when I thought about it. I pictured the string just going right through and separating the paint. But I don't think it's working that well. I'm very disappointed in this. Tell me something in your life that you've tried too hard to make it work. Oh, maybe. Yay! I can't say that was entirely the string, and I can't say the string didn't do exactly what would have happened with a chisel. If we look up here, you can see the paint that had definitely glued this drawer shut. But it's a thing. I'm going to actually just scrape this paint off with a chisel now. So for this one, I'm just going to use my chisel. I've got it caught in here. That was a lot easier. I think the fishing line is a myth busted. I don't think that's the way to handle this. And either way, the chisel is perfect for cleaning up the leftover little bits of paint from where it was painted shut. What do you think?